Thank you for your inquiry on our 2012 Holden Commodore SV6 in maroon. As you can see, the vehicle does have really nice alloy wheels with new tyres on the front. Really nice partial leather interior. Plenty of room in the back for the whole family, which is great. Plenty of storage in the boot and a tow bar already fitted, which is all ready to go. The SV6 Z series is packed with features including inbuilt navigation, dual climate control, Bluetooth audio, cruise control, and much more. We are a multi-franchise dealership with a terrific reputation to protect. Get in touch with one of our friendly team today for more information on our Holden Commodore SV6.